Hi class 5. Today we will read a new chapter, The King's Magic Drum. It was the story of a king who has a magic drum and tortoise who want to take a drum from the king. You can see in this picture it was a king who has a drum and tortoise. Ephraim Duke was an ancient king of Canaria. He was a peaceful man and did not like war. He was a kind man, but he did not like a war. He had a wonderful drum, the property of which when he was a ten was always to provide a plenty of good food and drink. You can see in this picture he has a good drum a wonderful drum to him. So whenever any country declared war against him, he used to call all his enemies together and beat his drum. Then, to surprise of everyone, instead of fighting people, found tables spread with all this fish, fufu, plum oil, chopped soup, and cooked yam, and plenty of plum wine for everybody. When any other country were declaring the war, he was call all his enemy together and giving them surprise and give them surprising and food he was giving to them so that the war cannot be held. In this, if you kept the country quiet, he was all this activity he was keeping the country quiet so that there is no war in their country, and said his enemy a way which full of stomachs and happy and fame of wine. He was giving happy for his enemy that no war can be held in their country. There was only one drawback to possessing the drum, that was its owner of a drum walked over any stick of the road or stepped over a fallen tree, all the food would immediately go bad. Moreover, 300 men would appear with a stick and whip and beat the owner of a drum and all over the invited guest very seriously. He was giving the drumstick to everyone that his owner can be beat. Every few months, the king used to issue invitation and all subject has to come big feast. It has given the all. He was inviting all the subject to come his feet. Even the wild animal were also invited. There also a wild animal he also invited for them. For those day there was no trouble, as they were friendly with men. There was no troubling. He was friendly with man. When they were the fish, they do not like one another. They do not like to kill one another. All the people and the animal were of the king of drum and wanted possessive it, but king would not be part with it. It means to have. One morning, the king's wife took her little daughter down to spring to wash her, as she covered with yarn, which are the bad sore all over the body. The king's wife has given the daughter to spring her wash to wash her whole. It was sure all over the body covered by. The tortoise happened to be a plum tree just over the spring, cutting nuts and midday meals. While the cutting one of the nuts fell ground just in front of the child. He was cutting the nuts filled with the ground in front of the child. The little girl, seeing a good food cried from the mother, not knowing any better, picked up the plum nut and gave her to daughter. Then the mother was giving to her daughter in a nut. Directly the tortoise saw his climb down the tree and asked a woman. Then the tortoise asked the woman where his plum nut was. Then he was asking where is the nut was. She replied she had given to her child. Then she was telling to tortoise that she has given to her child to eat. Then the tortoise was very much wanted. He was very much wanted the king drum, though he would make plenty over this and force the king to give him the drum. He was forcing the king to give him the drum. So he said to the mother of child. Then he was saying to the mother of a child, I am poor man and I am climbed of the tree to get the food of myself and my family. He was a poor man and he was unable to get myself and of his family need. He was very poor. Then you took my plum nut. He was saying that you can take my nut and give it your child. He was saying that you can give this nut to your child. I shall tell the whole matter to the king. He was saying that I have give all the information to the king and see what he say and what he has to say. When he heard that his wife has stolen my food, then when he tell all the things to the king, then he was hearing all his that his wife has stolen my food, that his wife has stole his food. This, as everyone knows, that it was a very serious crime according to native custom. It was a very serious crime. Custom is a traditional way of behaving. It is a traditional way of behaving. Then said to the tortoise, he was saying to the tortoise, you can see in this picture, I saw your plum nut lying on a ground. He was saying that it was lying on a ground. Nut was lying on the ground and thinking it had fallen from the tree. He was thinking that it has fallen from the tree. I gave my little girl to eat. He was saying that I have given to my little girl to eat, but I don't steal it. Then he was saying that she was saying that I don't want to steal them. My husband, the king, a rich man, and if you have any complaint to make against me or my child, I will take you before him. He was saying that if you have any complaint, I will tell to my husband. He was a king. And so she took the tortoise, her husband, and told him what had taken place. Then he was taking to the tortoise to his husband that what he has taken. The king then asked the tortoise what would accept as the reason for the loss of his plum nut. He was saying that what should we pay for that it has a loss of your nut. And the tortoise immediately pointed the king drum and said that it was only thing he want. He was saying that I want this drum. In order to get right, the king said, very well, take the drum. Then the king said, take the drum with you. But he never told the tortoise about the bad things that would happen to him if he stepped over a fallen tree, walked over a stick on the road. The tortoise was very glad at this. Then when the king was giving to tortoise this drum, he was very glad to take that drum. And carried the drum home in a chamber of his wife. He was carrying to the drum to his wife and said, I am now a rich man. He was saying that I am a rich man. I shall do not more work, and I will not work any more. Whenever I wanted, all I have to do is to beat the drum. Then he was saying, I want the food to do, so if I want the food, I have to beat this drum and get a food plenty to drink immediately brought to me. He was saying. His wife and children was very pleasant when they heard this. He was very happy to see that. He asked the tortoise to get food at once. Then he was saying that you can get the food at once. As they were all hungry, they were saying that all are hungry. This tortoise was only to please to do, and he wished to show a newly acquired wealth and all the rather hungry himself. He was also hungry himself, so he beat the drum in the same way as the king is beating. He was beating the drum as the king was beating. When he wanted something to eat, and immediately plenty food appeared. Then he was saying when he beat something to eat, then the plenty of food is appearing. So they sat down and made the great feast. The tortoise did this for 3 days. Then he was beating this for 3 days, and everything went well, and all his children got fat and as much as they could possible to eat. And then the child also could eat so much as they want to eat. He was therefore very proud of his drum, and in order to display his richness, he sent invitation to the king, and then he was becoming rich, and then he giving to the invitation, tortoise giving the invitation to the king, and all the people, all animals come in this feast, and he was giving the invitation to the all people and animals to come this feast. When the people get receiving their invitation, they laughed as they know the tortoise was very poor. They laughed that he was very poor. So very few attend the feast. Then few was attending the feast. But the king, knowing about the drum, the king know everything about the drum. Come, and when the tortoise beat the drum, the food brought usually a great profusion, and all the people sat down and enjoying their meal very much. They were much that the poor tortoise should be able to and so many people, and told their friends to find dishes has been placed before them. They had never had been better dinner. They saying that they invite all the friends that they know that they have no better dinner, but they provide better dinner for their friends. The people who had not gone for the dinner very sorry when they were thinking that they were saying when they don't go to the dinner for tortoise party, they saying very sorry when they heard there was a good feast, somebody else not everything is there. After the feast, all the people looked up the tortoise and say, "You are a rich one of the richest men of the kingdom." Then he all the friends and they all saying that you are the richest man of the kingdom, and he was very respectfully. Then he was very happy and giving a respect to a tortoise. It was given to a respect to them. No one except the king could understand how the poor tortoise can suddenly, but they all made up their mind to the tortoise ever gave another feast, so they would be not refuse again. They were thinking that people were thinking if tortoise give the feast again, giving the party again, then they will not refuse the party. When the tortoise has been the drum few weeks has become lazy and do not work. When after the few weeks the drum was become lazy and did not work as they work at on that time properly, but went about the country boasting of his rich. One day he started home crying his drum. One day he was starting crying his drum, he did not notice a stick in the path. He was not noticing the stick in his path. He walked over Then he walked over the stick, and cause the juju was broken at once. He was saying that he was broken by, but did not know these nothing happened at the time. It was they never thinking that it was happen on the time. Eventually he arrived at his house very tired. He was very tired. He threw the drum in the corner. He was throwing the drum in the corner and went to sleep. He was going to sleep in a home. When he wake up in the morning, the tortoise began to feel hungry. When the tortoise get up in the morning, he feel hungry. So his wife and children were calling out of food. They were very hungry and say to beat the drum. But instead of food being brought, the house was filled with man. Then it was filled with who beat the tortoise, his wife and children badly. He was treating them badly. As this, the tortoise was very angry and said to himself, he was very angry and himself saying something. I ask everyone to feast, but only few come. I ask everyone, only few come, but they have plenty to eat and drink. They have plenty to eat and drink. Now when I want food for myself and my family, they will come and beat me. Well, I will let other people share the same fate. Then he thinking that I will let try to that other people can share the same fate as I did. As I don't know, see why I am and my family should be beaten when I given the fish to all people. He was saying, I don't think how why I am beaten, but I have given all the fish to all the peoples.